So who can get the vaccine now? Well, again, it's different in every state, unfortunately, which makes it very difficult for all of us. But in general, there are some categories that seem to be common in all of the states that are being vaccinated at this current time. So in general, most of the healthcare workers have been vaccinated across the country, and that includes anyone that works in hospitals, but as well as outpatient clinics, dentist office, eye doctors, people who might work in physical therapy, things like that, as well as all the nursing home workers and patients. In general, most of the states are now vaccinating people who are ages 65 and older. And a lot of states are vaccinating teachers, people who work in schools, colleges, bus drivers, people who work in jails and prisons, as well as police officers, ambulance drivers, firemen, people that work in public transit. And this might affect some of you, those that might work in an airport or work in the food delivery part of the airport may have some eligibility, and you might want to check with your employer, with the union on that. Other public transit workers, such as subway workers, people that work with the public bus system or trains, are also eligible. So these are the categories. If you think you might be in that, you should check with your employer. People that work in the grocery stores are also eligible, but there's other frontline food service working that may be eligible as well. Again, check with your employer and see if you fall into that category. And then people working or living in like homeless shelters or group settings where there's a lot of potential for spread are also being vaccinated. Now, people with chronic conditions such as diabetes, high blood pressure, obesity, smoking, most of you will be eligible soon. And every state has a different time frame for that. So it's important for you to check with your doctor when you might be eligible if you have a chronic healthcare condition.